How to install Splice app on the iPhone. If you want to use the Splice app and don't know how to install or download it on your mobile phone, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the App Store just like this. After opening the app, tap onto the search bar at the bottom right here. Then tap onto search bar once again and type Splice just like this and search for it. Then here you can find the Splice option just right here. Now tap on it. Now to download this app, simply tap on to get button right here. Now double click to install this app just like this. Now wait for a few minutes and the app will be downloaded on your mobile phone. And now you can see the app has been downloaded. Now to open it, simply tap on to open right here. You can also find this app on your home screen just like this. And that's it. This is how you can install the Splice app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.